Hey, Amy from A Blossoming Life, and today I'm going to show you one of the easiest tutorials on how to make your own hairspray. Now you only need 2 ingredients, maybe 3. It seems like a lot of my recipes are always like that. But 2 main ingredients, and then there's something optional that you can do if you would like to. So, all you need to make your own hairspray is a cup of water and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar acts as like sticky, it's what's gonna help you hold your hair. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn your burner on medium high. All you're really trying to do is dissolve the sugar. So you're gonna pour, this is 1 cup of water, and then 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. And you're gonna combine those together, stir it up. So all you're really trying to do is dissolve the sugar, and then once it's dissolved, you can take it off the heat. And if you want to, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oils and then add it to a spray bottle. I'm using an amber bottle because this is what I have on hand, but you can totally go to like the dollar section or even the travel section of any one of big box brands or big box stores and use like those plastic ones that you can find there. I try to stay from plastic as much as possible, so that's why I use these. And you can get these on Amazon. I actually purchased this one at our local co-op because it was available. It's almost done, it's almost dissolved. And I did bring out some lavender essential oil. Yeah, you can definitely use your favorite one. There's some essential oils that are really good for hair. Rosemary is one of them. Just make sure whatever essential oil that you use is that they're 100% pure and that also that they are safe to use. So for instance, I'm breastfeeding, so I need to use essential oils that are safe for breastfeeding. So just make sure that you're using ones that are. All right, it looks like we're about done. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off the heat. I'm just gonna add a couple drops. It's always good. Okay, so I'm gonna use a funnel since it was not gonna work without using something like that. And I'm just gonna be careful because it doesn't fit totally perfect. So all you're gonna do to style your hair to use this is you're going to style it the way you would and then spritz it on. It's going to give you a good hold. It's not exactly the same as regular hairspray. It's not gonna be like, really hold, but it really does work. Surprisingly, sugar and water, something so simple, really does work. So to use this, all you're gonna do is you're gonna put the top on. I usually like to wait till after it's cool, and then you're just gonna spritz it on. Which is good, because I really didn't need this today. So this worked out well. So you're gonna spritz it on, let it dry. You don't wanna do too much, because too much is going to make it really hard. And also it'll make your hair really wet. We don't want that, because if it gets too wet, it's not good. So spritz it on, and then you are on your way. I have had a lot of questions, people asking like, is this gonna attract bugs? And honestly, never had an issue with it. If you are worried about it, you can use some essential oils that deter bugs. Like citronella, one of those type of essential oils. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, and I hope that you learned how to make your own hairspray that's all natural and that you can make at home and 2 simple ingredients, maybe 3. At A Blossoming Life, I share how to make your own DIY projects, natural recipes, and real food recipes. Come back once a week and subscribe to our channel.